Welcome to the channel, everyone. I am Skylar James. I want to take some time today to introduce myself and this channel. This will be a personal finance channel. Now look, I totally get it. You hear personal finance and you think boring, so therefore you think this channel will be boring. Well, it won't be. I promise. Or your money back. I'm just kidding. This doesn't cost anything. I get that your time is valuable, so in this channel, I will strive to always provide you with valuable and actionable insights. We're going to cover all kinds of topics. Let's say you wanted to buy a car and you wanted to know about good negotiating techniques. Or you're looking to stop procrastinating so much. We'll also go over techniques on how to get better at that. Maybe you're interested in advanced personal finance techniques like angel funding or syndicated commercial real estate deals. Maybe you've never even heard of syndicated commercial real estate deals. Well, that's the kind of stuff that we're going to cover in this channel as well. Since this is my first video, please provide feedback on topics you'll want me to cover. And in the future, hopefully I can earn a like or subscribe from you. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you on the next one.